APIs power 83% of web traffic. Connecting Excel to APIs gives you direct access to live financial data, weather, inventory, and thousands of other data sources. Power queries from web and from JSON connectors parse JSON automatically. Nested objects become expandable navigation trees. Click to expand, select fields, and load structured data into Excel tables. Use Power Queries Web Contents function with custom URLs, headers, and parameters. I show how to handle API keys, pagination, and authentication for common free APIs. Real-world JSON is nested and complex. Learn to expand records, lists of records, and deeply nested structures using Power Queries navigation steps. Handle null values and type mismatches gracefully. I connect Excel to 3 real APIs: a weather API for forecast data, a finance API for stock prices, and a public data API for demographic statistics. Each connection is set to refresh automatically. API data in Excel is a superpower for analysts. Subscribe for more data integration tutorials that connect Excel to the real world.